First, we're going to begin removing the grates from the cooker top. Now, if your sink is large enough, you can clean them from there. However, if you have a small sink like I do, using the bathtub is a more convenient option. So what we're going to do, we're going to place the towel in the bath and turn on the hot water tap. Now lay the grates on top of the towel, and once the grates are fully immersed in hot water, you can turn it off. Now with 1 cup of soda crystals or baking soda, sprinkle over the grates. And with 2 cups of white vinegar, we're also going to pour into the bathtub. Now the vinegar and the baking soda or soda crystals, whichever one you've chosen, will break down the grease and grime. Now we're going to leave these to soak in the bathtub for the next 10-15 minutes. We're going to head back to the cooker top. Now we're going to remove the burner rings as they accumulate grime. Now you can clean them in the sink with some hot water to soak and use the same mixture that we just used to clean the grates. However, I'm going to just use some dish soap as I'm planning on cleaning with a Brillo pad. We'll come back to this later. Now for the cooker top, I'm using a multi-purpose cleaning spray and a clean microfiber cloth to wipe away the grease and spills. This cloth that I'm using is specially designed for the cooker top and comes with a polishing cloth too. I'll leave a link below in the description page. Now don't forget to rinse the cloth as you go, especially if your cooker top is greasy. Once done, next we need to dry it off with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Now look at that, nice and shiny. Now we've done that, let's head back to the sink to clean those small rings. Now, as I said, I'm using a Brillo pad, and Brillo pad are known for their excellent cleaning power. Now with this Brillo pad, all I'm just going to do is gently scrub the small rings to remove any built up grime and residue. Now the abrasive texture of these pads will help break down that burnt on grease, stains, and restore the shine. Now after scrubbing with the Brillo pad, you're going to need to give them a good rinse, as the soap from the pads can leave them this kind of white residue kind of marks on it. So give them a good rinse off. Then dry them before placing them back on the hob. Now it's time to head back to the bathroom or your sink, and with a brush or sponge to give the grates a bit of a scrub. Once you've done that, we're going to give them a rinse, and then we know they are nice and squeaky clean. Give them a bit of a dry with a microfiber cloth. And there you have it. A clean, shiny gas or electric hob cooker. Now remember to always follow safety guidelines and ensure your hob is cool before you start cleaning it. Now for more cleaning tips, check out the next video coming up. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.